Hey guys, welcome to Paths of Verses, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I have a story about three toddlers I know. When they were young, they used the same baby cot, which was covered with a net all around it. And they all wanted to get out at one point. So the first toddler, when inside that baby cot, decided to dig a hole and get out. The second one decided to do a somersault and get out. And the third one decided to pile some pillows and get out of the baby cot. Flashing forward, now they are teenagers. And when you ask them what they want to be when they grow up, it relates to what they were doing when they were young. The first one, who made a hole and got out, wants to be a scientist and wants to make life easier for people. Maybe she just saw that was the easiest way. Then the second one, who did a somersault, when he grows up, he wants to do a lot of exercises. So even right now, just does so many exercises. Anytime is exercise time. Then the third one, who piled up pillows to get out, usually likes using household equipment to do his stuff, and when he grows up, he wants to be a chef. Well, I have some toddler tips, especially when you're traveling with toddlers. Firstly, remember to carry as many diapers and disposable bags when you travel with toddlers, especially the ones who are not potty trained. Secondly, remember to carry extra clothes for yourself and the toddler so that in case there's a mess, you're able to change clothes. Then thirdly, remember toddlers are very slippery. They're all over the place. So always keep an eye on them, especially when you're traveling for safety. Then fourthly, remember to carry something that they usually like if it's their favorite toy, so that wherever they go out of the house, they feel at home. Then fifthly, remember to carry some snacks to eat along the way when the toddler is hungry. Then lastly, remember to ask for discounts, because many places they give discounts for children, and for hotels, for transport, you can get discounts. Well, for more details, check out my website, pathsoasis.com, and also be on the lookout for the upcoming books on Amazon. On my website, there'll be details on travel tips, on paths recipes, and also on do-it-yourself. Until next time.